Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Selling. In this video, as you can tell, I'm going to be sharing with you how I wash my hair. I have a fussy hair. I have a problematic, dramatic, you can call it whatever you like, okay? Fussy hair. I'm a very sensitive person. My scalp is very sensitive. Normally, I wash my hair, I let it dry overnight. The next day, I curl it. But now I find a new method. I've been doing this for quite some months now, and which is really, really helpful. Trust me, guys. So, and the product I used for my hair before, it was Cream of Nature, condition and shampoo. Well, my hair is not reacting, and I'm allergic to the shampoo and condition as well, so I decided to switch to something else, and which I'm loving. I'm not regretting it. The Cream of Nature was a bit pricey, but this one is not pricey at all. I think it was €5 each. I'm going to leave the name down below, okay? And yeah, and also the rest product to prepare my hair after washing it. Every other product I use just to keep my hair moisturized and healthy. All the products are from Cream of Nature, except for the coconut oil, okay? But the rest are from Cream Nature. They have a very good product when it comes to fussy hair. So with that being said, so when it comes to me washing my hair, I do love to dance around because, like I said, I have a very sensitive score, and so to get the pains, just to rely on something else, I do love to use hand gloves. So with hand gloves, I'm not attaching more feelings to my scalp, to my hair, so it's not hurting me that much. But when I use my own hand without hand gloves, guys, trust me, I can make it to lose just one cornrow, just one line. That bad, yeah, very, very bad. So with hand gloves, it's keeping me very, I don't know how to say it, it's just keeping me very soft, and it's not paining me, it's not hurting me. So yeah, I love to use hand glove. Only when I comb my hair, I use my bare hand, but when I have to wash my hair, comb it, I use hand glove, and it works for me. So yeah, and it protects my hair from not damaging, because when I use my own hands and attach to my hair, trust me, the feelings is just ridiculous. I'm even sharing tears. That bad. Yeah. So moving forward, guys, today I'm going to be washing the hair. After I wash the hair, okay, I don't want to jump from one story to the other. So when I'm washing my hair with shampoo, I do love to detangle my hair first. I use very warm water, not hot, not warm, at the middle, okay? Very warm water. And I do this 3 times. I wash my hair 3 times with shampoo, and then I rinse it out. And yeah, I do love to, the struggle. It's really painful when I'm washing my hair. I don't know why, but anyways, all good. So after that, I'm going to deep condition my hair. After deep condition it, I'm just doing my thing, singing, and just to keep the pains away, just to rely on something else, like I just said. So yeah, and then I'm going to let it sit, deep condition it sit for 30 minutes. Depends on the time I have. If I don't have a lot to do at that day, I just let it for 30 minutes. But when I have a lot to do, when I'm at home, I'm not going outside, I can let it for 6 hours, 5 hours, depends, okay? Don't get me wrong. So yeah, that is what I'm just doing. And after that, I do love to curl my hair when it's wet. Trust me, guys, this prevents my edges from not breaking, and prevent my hair from not too dry. Because like I said, normal, I will wash my hair and let it overnight. I can't roll the next day, but I've been curling my hair for over some months now when it's wet, because when it's wet, your hair is more softer. You don't have more pressure to try to detangle your hair. So when your hair is dry and you try to detangle it, you make it really smooth, this is the time your hair is pulling and is pulling. Fussy hair can be sometimes very ridiculous. It can pull a lot. So yeah, and this is what I do to my hair to protect my hair, because a lot of you guys always ask me, how do you protect your natural hair? You have a full natural hair and this and that. This is the only way I do. I don't do something special. I don't do something dramatic. I just go for what works for me. And when it comes to hair products, I don't change hair product every now and then. I just stick to the product, and that's it. So when I notice the product is not good, then I had to stop it. I don't try. When it comes to the product I use on my hair after washing it, this is the product I've been using, Cream of Nature. I've been using since I go 4C, okay, since I went natural. This is the product I'll be using, and I'm not planning to change it, not now, not later, I don't know, but for now I'm still loving it. Over years now, I'm still loving it. So yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. I hope you guys like this video. You see me doing my thing, doing my singing, and you know, this is how it is when I'm washing my hair. Okay, a lot of drama going on. Anyway, guys, like I just said, all the products I use to wash my hair in this video, and the treatment as well, everything is going to be listed in the description box. Please do go and check it out. If you're fussy hair, you're natural hair, you are looking for something, try this. This shampoo is €5. It's not expensive. Sometimes when they do have a sale, I think it's €4. So yeah, so go and try it if you want, but if you don't, you can still stick to your product. However, this is what I use. Do what you like, what is good for your hair and your scalp. Okay, without any further ado, thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, give me a thumbs up, let me know what you think about this video. Okay, my beautiful people, you know what, no long talking. Take care, ciao. Mwah.
It's been a roller coaster, but you stayed, and now I'm taking over.